In this video, I will show you how to upgrade Windows 10 and 11 to Windows 11 25H2 without data loss or reinstalling. The first method works on Windows 11 24H2 devices regardless the devices meet Windows 11 system requirements or not. For example, this computer runs Windows 11 24H2 and doesn't meet the Windows 11 system requirements. Before we start, please make sure your computer has the latest updates installed. To upgrade, we need to download and install the enablement package manually. Please download the update package from Microsoft's official servers. Once downloaded, open the file and install the update. Restart your computer to apply the changes. As you can see, the unsupported device has been upgraded from version 24H2 to 25H2 without needing to reinstall Windows. All your data and installed applications remain the same. This method also works if your computer already meets the Windows 11 system requirements. After upgrading, if you are not happy with Windows 25H2, you can go back to the previous version. First, go to the Windows Update option. Select Update History. Scroll down. Under Related Settings, select Uninstall Updates. Uninstall the feature update for Windows 25H2 with the update ID KB 5054156. Once that is done, restart your computer. As you can see, your computer has been downgraded from Windows 11 25H2 to 24H2. All your data and installed apps are still here. The second method is to perform an in-place upgrade using the Windows 11 version 25H2 ISO file. Since the first method only works for Windows 11 version 24H2, this method will work for all Windows versions, such as Windows 11 version 23H2 and older. This method also works on supported and unsupported devices. For instance, I will do it on an unsupported device. First, visit the official Windows 11 download website. Scroll down to download Windows ISO. When downloading, make sure the language of the ISO file matches the language of your current Windows version. For example, this computer uses English United States. Once downloaded, mount the ISO file to your computer. Select then right-click on the setup.exe file and copy its file path. Next, search for CMD and open the command prompt as an administrator. Right-click to paste the copied file path of the setup file. Enter this command to upgrade Windows 11 and bypass all hardware requirements. You might see Install Windows Server, but don't worry. Windows 11 will be installed and updated. When upgrading, make sure you select this option to keep all data and installed apps on your computer. Finally, click Install to start the upgrade process. It might take an hour to complete. Please be patient. As you can see, Windows has been upgraded to the latest version without any data loss. With this method, if you are not satisfied with Windows 25H2, you can also revert to the previous version. Select Go Back and follow the instructions to return to the previous version without losing any data or performing a clean install. As you can see, the Windows has been reverted to the previous version without any data loss. And the last section is upgrading Windows 10 to Windows 11 25H2. First, download and install the PC Health Check app to check if the computer is meet Windows 11 hardware requirements or not. If your computer meets the Windows 11 requirements, the recommended upgrade method is to use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. We can download it from the Windows 11 official download page. Click Accept and Install button. The tool will download and upgrade to Windows 11 automatically. You can continue using your computer while it is processing. It could take an hour to complete. Please be patient. Once done, restart the computer to apply the changes. As you can see, Windows has been upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11 25H2 without any data loss or reinstalling. And we can also go back to Windows 10 within 10 days of upgrading. If the Windows 10 computer does not meet the Windows 11 system requirements, we can use the in-place upgrade method. When trying to upgrade using the Installation Assistant, You would get this error and cannot continue. Let's download the Windows 11 25H2 ISO and perform an upgrade using the server product switch, just like we did in the second section. Don't forget to select the language match with the current Windows language. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.